Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and I have a project share. This is a mini album and it also has photos. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to put your photos in a mini album. I made this mini album specifically for this event that happened in this child's life. The paper I used was Jungle Safari from Echo Park. It's a relatively new collection since it says 2020, which is fabulous because I usually use older ones. This is what's left of the back of the cut apart page, and let me show you what I made. So obviously this was for a young lady named Brevyn, and it was her 3-year birthday, and you'll learn the story as we go. The cover I used, and by the way, it's a 7" by 7" mini album. The pages are 6.5 by 6.5. I do have a tutorial on a size similar to this. I used just a piece of the plaid paper actually for the front cover, and I'll show you the spine in the back. And there was this paper that had the wood grain on it, and I just cut it down 8.5 by 11 and printed all of the wording on that paper, so it sort of went along with the collection. Geez, this looks like it's a melon color. It's really not. It's yellow, so I'll have to work on the coloring. But I took these stickers from the sticker sheet, backed these on black cardstock, and put them on. The rest of the stickers I just put on without backing on cardstock, and a hint, so it's going to go to kids 5 and under. When you have stickers, glue them down because otherwise they're going to come apart. And I tried to make it kid friendly. The pages were all glued down very well on the corners, and just so it doesn't fall apart for the kids. Okay, so that's the front cover, and I'm going to make the faces fuzzy so you'll see that they're fuzzy. The front inside cover, I just simply took this paper and cut it and add some stickers just because they were cute and I thought the kids will have fun looking at them. And then I actually added this page because I had more photos than pages, so I did add a sort of, it's a large flap really. And I used the same paper and just cut it down, added some stickers from the sticker sheet, and this part, of course, I did print out on the printer and then backed it with green. And that's one thing I did with the photos is I put them all on a mat trying to match the pages. Again, I took the picture of the little brother and put it on green cardstock, and that is part of that flap. And then I put the stickers to try to make it all work together. On this one, I triple matted this just so we could coordinate with the colors. And of course, I put stickers here. Now this page, by the way, was a pocket page, and I did not have enough photos to go in the pocket, so I just covered the pocket up with a piece of paper. Yeah, and so that worked. Now I double matted this picture, and incidentally, all these pictures were from a 6x4 photo, but you get a lot of room in photos that you don't need all of the papers, or you get a lot of room in the photos that just are extraneous. There was just clouds and grass, so I cut it out. So again, I pieced together this piece. In these couple of pages, I was lucky enough to be able to use one 12 by 12 paper for each set of pages, so that I cut down to 6.5 by 6.5, and then that's why I matted these and pieced them onto the pages, because then you can have some flow to the whole mini album. Now, so here's the first pocket, and I did put this little flap onto this picture I cut down, and I put the wording here just to have a little interactiveness, so she can pull that up and take a look at herself with her dad. Added stickers to that. Her sister feeding the goats. This is also a hidden pocket page. but I chose not to do anything. I might even glue them shut. I figured I would leave it open just in case Mom has some birthday cards or some things that she wants to put in the pockets. But otherwise, you know, it is a pocket page, but it doesn't have to be. So now these couple of pages match because they're mostly photos of the animals, which I put on a photo mat, and of course I did back it. I have to take that off. So I used a just a craft colored cardstock, and I did not cut these pictures down at all. I mean, you could have, but I didn't want to. I wanted them big enough to fit in this pocket, and just added stickers to that sheet. And again, more stickers, wording that I double matted, more of the animals. And as you can see, I've used stickers wherever I could. You know, part of what I was thinking is this is going to give the kids something to read as they're looking at the pictures. So I just tried to keep the wording very easy. And I almost put that with the picture of the kids, but I decided not to. I think Mom would have gotten a laugh out of that. And then the last page has nothing to do with the trip to the jungle, the zoo, whatever it was, but it was an important part of the adventure. It's something that she was looking forward to, so I thought that was an important way to end the book. And then I just put some more stickers in here. I don't know if they saw an alligator, but it sort of is a little camouflaged in there as well. Stickers on the back, sticker on the spine, and back to the front. So again, I used the matting to put the pictures on. I cut them down a lot. I cut out extraneous things. I mean, otherwise you're going to see the top of the hotel room and more of the bedding. You know, you can cut that down. They're sitting there looking at a phone or an iPad or something. The little girls, you can't see it because I have their faces fuzzed out, but I just love how close the girls are. So anyhow, that is a mini album using the Jungle Safari paper and showing you how to make mini albums and adding some photos to it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to see more of this, please put it in the comments and let me know what kind of photo challenges you have, and we can address that in the upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you know when the next ones are coming. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.